What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Ooh, we TSMP. We got to talk about it. I doubled my position, and I'm about to explain exactly why. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market, and I like to share that with anybody who's willing to listen. So let's just get right into this thing, shall we? TSMP, it is gearing up. It is gearing up. All right. So I winded up doubling my position. Okay. And here is exactly why. We finally had this big push yesterday. Okay. Big push and then holds. And then we have another pop up in the 8. And then it just held up here. But the reason why I doubled my position now, because if you watch my last video, if you haven't, please go and do so. I said we have a great opportunity in the 17.5 area. Once it breaks that, we got a nice 30 to 40% profit in the 23 to 24 range. But when I seen this huge drop right here, boom, it immediately bounced back. Immediately. Drop and pop really quick. So that right there was an amazing signal for me, perfectly, beautifully. And so, you know, I winded up buying another 6,000 shares. I still have capital set aside for when it breaks this 7.5 area. But this thing was just looking too beautiful for me because it's still maintaining in this trend pattern with that consolidation leading up to that bull flag. And I could feel it, guys, like just watching this stock every day, analyzing what's going on in the technical pattern. We've already gone through everything possible on this company, about the people, what their mission is, what they're trying to accomplish. Every aspect of it is already, for me personally, a great idea for an investment. But I do like to trade and capitalize on trading. I like short-term moves as well. So, you know, I'm seeing this thing gear up. So, you know, at first I wanted to buy 1,000 shares. So I just started loading 1,000 shares at a time. So when it would dip, I would just buy 1,000 shares, dip, buy 1,000 shares, dip, buy 1,000 shares. And because I'm loading up, that I'm still gearing up for the 17.5 break up to the 23 to 24 range. So for me personally, I started thinking about it. I've been watching these technicals for about a month now, just every day watching this. And so for me, it was just honestly a no-brainer. Like, why wait for the 17.5 area? When you're looking at this price action and it's not going nowhere, it's stagnant, it's staying in this consolidation range, and it's coming to that point. The closer and closer it comes to that point, as you can see, if you really look at all of this, I'm sorry, if you go back here and you look at all of it, we have a pop and then hold, pop and hold, pop, hold every morning from the closing price. It has a pop, drop. Like every single morning it has a pop because it wants to get up there. It's holding, it's maintaining. Every time the sellers try to come in or the shorts try to come in and knock this thing off, it's still maintaining above that 14 beautifully. So, you know, I haven't even filled my full position of what I want in my other account. You know, I wanted to get up to, you know, 10,000, 11,000 shares. So I still have another 4,000, 5,000 shares to go. And if it drops, I'm going to continue to buy up more shares. Or once it breaks the 17.5, I'm going to go all in and purchase the rest of the 5,000 or 6,000 share, whatever I feel like buying at the time. I'm going to buy that at that 17.5 break. But I thought today was a beautiful day for it to have a pop and hold in them 16s and then completely fall off and then immediately bounce back to the high 15s. To me, that was a beautiful signal. So I wanted to buy more shares. I bought more shares at that point. And, you know, it's still headed towards that point. We haven't reached it yet, but we are getting extremely close. Let's see. I'm going to redraw this line because we are getting extremely close to that pivotal point. It's getting there. On both ends, it is getting there. I mean, it's a beautiful thing to watch. So, you know, I decided that why wait for the 17? I'm just going to go ahead and purchase shares because we're getting to that point and it's starting to look beautiful, and it's grinding out. no matter how many times this thing tries to get hit and drop, it just completely bounces back and stays in this consolidation area. So double my position on TSMP, with still capital available to purchase more shares when it breaks that 17.5 area. So I just wanted to update you guys and show how serious I am actually about TSMP. Obviously, I have my investment. But I also want to trade this because I truly believe that we're going to have a big move coming soon into the 23 and 24 range. So leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Again, man, if you watch this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you can do that. So TSMP, feeling really good about that bull flag coming, and doubled up my position on it, and I'm looking forward to when the thing pops. So that's going to be it on TSMP, guys. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as possible. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.